Happy Easter!
You use a Teflon.
Oh,
Let's get started. We have our big jar to hold the eggs and the brine water. We need this kettle or a pot to boil our water, which we will need a total of 5 cups of water. We need a cup and a half of salt, and of course we have to have eggs. These are 18 large brown eggs, chicken eggs. We have tried the chicken eggs and it turned out good, but I guess it would be better if it would be duck eggs. Okay, let's put our water here in our kettle, and as I mentioned, we need a total of 5 cups of water. Let's transfer our water here. It's hot, so be careful. I'd like to thank John. Uncle Fiji wants to thank you for this guitar spatula. So thank you, John. So our water have cooled down. This is the one with salt, and the many times that we've tried this, I guess all the salt won't completely dissolve, and I always end up with still some salt particles that are visible, but that would be okay. Soak itself. Here we go. I've seen some that would put other solution like vinegar or pepper, but maybe next time we'll try that. We've tried with the one with the pepper. It didn't really make much difference with the taste. So today would be the day 1 for our salted egg. So let's move this to where it would be sitting for 21 days. There you go. Alright, this is so exciting. Welcome to our March calendar. Day 1, we filmed and prepared the salted egg. And I don't know if you remember Santa Ines that week. Followed by San Miguel, San Luis Obispo, and today is the day, the 21st day of the salted egg. So we will check the egg today, and there'll be last 2 missions, Santa Barbara this week, followed by San Buenaventura. So we completed the 6 missions for this Lent, and on the 4th will be Easter, and that's when we're gonna do the salted egg. Alright, let's do it. Alright, so let's prepare our pot to boil our egg. Pour enough water. Okay, our water is boiling. We're gonna count 8 to 10 minutes from this point for our hard-boiled salted egg. So it's time for us to transfer our eggs to our iced water. Why do we have to do this? It's because we want to abort the cooking of the eggs, so it's easier to peel later on. So we'll leave it there for a few minutes. And later, we're gonna color our egg. So out of the 18 eggs, ilan na lang? 2, 4, 6, 11 na lang. We ate the rest already. But today, we're gonna make an experiment and color the eggs. So I've got hot water here. I've got about half tablespoon of vinegar. They said the acid will make the dye, the color into the, or stay with the eggs, you know. So let's see. So we waited till our eggs are at room temperature. And this our brown egg. Okay, let's check if it's already red. I think got its red color naman compared to this one that is not yet dyed. So I guess it's a successful experiment. So we'll just keep doing this until we get all the eggs colored.
Happy Easter!
So for Easter, we made salted eggs and itlog na pula. Our salted egg would be good with
Pampano. Tinapang pampano with nilagang ampalaya, bitter melon, okra, shrimp. We have avocado slash guacamole, yellow mangoes, tomatoes with onions, and the red eggs.
And if you have noticed, the grocery store bought eggs. They're oily and grainy, but they're salty. So I guess the longer we've made batch that is oily before, but the longer that you leave it in the brine, the saltier it gets, the oilier it gets, and the grainier it gets. So I guess let's all eat and try it na.
Yay! Happy Easter, everyone.
Happy
I hope you
Easter.
guys have a good Easter and with your family and friends. Oh, just family lang pala.
Yeah, and please don't forget to
Like, share, and subscribe.
yes. That's
Thank you
very
for
important.
always supporting us. Let's eat!
Thank you.
One,
Brown salted egg with our brown egg. I mean brown rice. God bless.
Up. Sarap ng sili. Sarap mga kapatid. Kain tayo. So meron kang halos healthy lahat. Meron kang shrimp, fish, ampalaya, tapos yung mga fruits mo. And you have this our own version of our rice.
Red and
Brown with red rice. So daming fiber.
green. So, yeah.
Sarap. Sarap. Forgot to mention, meron pala kaming vinegar dito. Suka.
Apple cider vinegar is healthier.
Tinapang pampano. Hindi ito yung pampano na pinirito. Talagang tinapa to na.
Did you air fried it?
So pag in-air fry nyo, depende kung paano yung air fry. Minsan yung tinik, pwede nyo kainin kasi malutong. So,
Or if you use your stove, as I tell my coworker how to do it, you use a Teflon pan. You don't need to put oil because it's gonna release its own oil and fry itself on its own oil. It's really good.
grabe. Ang sarap. Tapusin na namin to. Yan na. Sunod na lang kayo. See you pa. Bye.